You came for the beaches, the food, and the warm smiles, but your 30 days in the Philippines are almost up. Don't pack your bags just yet. What if I told you it's super easy to stay in the Philippines even up to 3 years? Hi everyone, this is Ashley and welcome to Philippines Update. In this video, I'll show you how to legally extend your tourist visa step by step so you can keep enjoying paradise stress-free. When you arrive in the Philippines from a visa-free country, you're usually granted a 30-day stay upon entry. After that, you're eligible for an extension of 29 more days, or what they call the visa waiver extension. There are two ways to extend your visa: online, through the immigration website, or in person at an immigration office. Let's start with the online option. It's fast and you don't have to leave your hotel or house. Here's how to do it. Go to eservices.immigration.gov.ph. I will put the link down below. Create an account if it's your first time. Click Visa Waiver. This is the option for the first extension. Fill out the form with your details, like your name, passport number, when you arrived, and when you're leaving. Pay online with a card or GCash. It usually costs around 3,000 to 4,000 pesos. Wait for an email. This is your proof of the extension. Make sure you screenshot or print your email confirmation for your record. Sometimes the website doesn't work for everyone. If that happens, don't worry. You can still go to the nearest immigration office and do it in person. My tip is find an immigration satellite office in your area, as they tend to be less busy, to extend your visa in person. Here's what you need to do if you're going to a Bureau of Immigration office. Bring your passport and a photocopy of your ID page and stamp. Ask for the visa waiver form at the office. Fill it out and submit it with your documents. Pay the fee, usually around 3,000 to 4,000 pesos. Wait for your receipt and return when they tell you to pick up your passport. If you are in a rush, some offices can process it the same day if you pay the express lane fee. Another tip when going to the Bureau of Immigration office is to never accept service from the people or agents outside. You can easily do this on your own. Here's more tips to remember when visiting Bureau of Immigration in the Philippines. Always apply before your visa expires. At least a week early is best. Bring extra copies of your passport when applying in person. Dress modestly at immigration offices. Be polite to the staff and smile. Trust me, it will go a long way. And lastly, keep all your receipts and papers in one folder. Now you know exactly how to extend your tourist visa in the Philippines online or in person. So don't wait until the last minute, give yourself peace of mind and extend early. If this video helped you, please give it a like, hit that subscribe button, also make sure to hit the notification bell on so you won't miss out on informative videos like this about the Philippines. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below and I will try my best to answer them. Thank you and enjoy your stay in the Philippines.